How do all these regulations and all the changes and all the new types of models that we were just talking about, how is that affecting your data business as you're appealing to financial services clients?
So, we got a little ahead of the game because we knew from the beginning, before we started using AI, that we needed to be able to point to where I got the data. As an alternative data provider, I can present almost any kind of information you want. Here's something that you can figure out if you're a signal. And we have investment companies purchase this and seeking the kind of lever that they want. The next question that has to be asked is, where did you get the information? And the early LLMs were not very good at doing this. There are some that are stronger now than they were. Certainly, as you know, Matt, and the IBM side, they've gone as far as to say, we're so sure what's inside our LLM that we'll actually indemnify users of that from IP infringement. But we have to be able to point to where you got the information. And it's a little bit more difficult if you're working with a third party or a black box where you're not exactly sure. Most of the new AI systems allow you now to come in and ask the question, okay, so tell me why. Tell me more about that. And the best ones will actually elucidate that for you. So from our business, it's about taking the extra time to make sure when we deliver a data set to a customer, I can go down to the field level and say, I know this came from here. I'm not sure I can tell you it's true or it's false. What I can tell you is the three sources agree on that particular piece of data. That at least is a bulwark against folks coming back to us and saying, you helped me make a bad decision because you didn't know. I'll simply emphasize it's not easy. There's so many sources, but being able to point back to those at a field level has been a godsend for us.